Very good morning to you all. Today let us solve the problem 16 on rectification of errors. Okay, number 1. The purchases day book in the month of November was overcast by 100. What they are saying about purchases book was overcast. Purchases must show a debit balance, and they say this is considered as overcast. Purchases overcast, we have to post into the opposite side. That means you have to post on the credit side. Therefore, we have to write credit as purchases account. Okay, and what is the value? They say purchases book overcast is 100. Okay, 100, and debit anything is not there, then what will come? Suspense account will come. With the same value you have to post, that is considered as 100. Next, second error. When you see the second error, also during December, this is about November, 1 month is finished. Next month what has happened? Total of one page, that is how much is total of one page is 5394, was carried forward to the next page as 59. That means this is also overcast. This is also another overcast. Let us write here, debit was purchases book was overcast. How much overcast? That you must know it. How much overcast? That is nothing but, actually they have to write 5394, but they have written, that is nothing but 5934 minus 5394. 5394. This is what is the overcast. How much value? Let us see this one. How much value it comes of? The value is 540 is the overcast. Therefore, whenever 540 is the overcast, we have to post the same thing as credit purchases account. Same thing, that is 540 is the overcast here, the value, and debit nothing is there. Therefore, we have to post as suspense account. Yeah. Next, let us go at the next one. The sales book in the month of March, that is 340 to Bhatia, was entered as 430. Whenever they say sales book, that means we have to take as well as the Madinun, the name of the person we have to say. Sales, whenever you sell goods, what we have to write? Whenever you sell goods, we have to credit a sales account. We have to credit a sales account. Debit Mr. B. Who is Mr. B? He is a debtor. We have to write a debtor. Okay. Let's see what is the exact value here. You have sold goods, a sale of rupees 340. How much they sold? $340. It was sold. But what was entered, actually they have entered more value, they have entered. The wrong mistake is considered as, instead of 340, what the value they have written as 430. Now what we have to do? We have to reverse the entry. That means reverse entry means what? The both the sides error, debit sales account, credit Mr. B account. The difference value, what is the difference value? We have to take 430 minus 340. 90 is the difference value that is to be taken into consideration. That's about second error. Let's go about next. Purchases returns book was not posted for the month of December. The total value is 850. What they say, purchases returns is credit balance, not posted. Not posted means they have not written anything. Now you write. Now we need to make it out. Purchase returns, we have to write it out. Therefore, write down here purchases returns account. Debit is nothing is there. Therefore, suspense account will come on the debit side. What is the value they say? The value they say is what? 850. Write down 850. Next. When it comes to sales returns was not entered. They very clearly sales returns from Mr. D during October to October, the value is 210, entered in the, this is the mistake here. What actually it is? Sales returns. Let us see sales returns. What do you write sales returns? Sales returns always debit balance, very good. Sales returns account, debit, and Mr. D. Mr. D is to be credited. What is the value? Actually, the value is 210. 210. Then what is the mistake here? They say sales returns from Mr. D amount, but written in the sales book. Where they have written? They have written in the sales book. Therefore, where we have to write sales, the mistake is, error is considered as sales account was credited. The value is 210, and Mr. D was debited. They say very clearly sales returns book. Book means what? Both sides errors. Now how to rectify it? Sales returns we want debit. Okay, put sales returns debit, and we don't want sales returns, and we don't want sales here. Therefore, debit sales here, debit sales with the value of 210 and 210, and we want credit Mr. D here. Mr. D must be credit, and then again we will get Mr. D here. Both the values will be about 210 and 210. Instead of we can write only once, that also would be correct. Like this also you can write, that is about 420, you will get it out. Next one. Cash received from Mr. R. When we receive cash, what you have to write? Cash received means debit cash. Let us write debit cash. Okay, what is the value we received? Cash received is 300. Okay, very good. Sorry. Let me post the value in value column. 300 was been received. And why we received here 300? Mr. MR received from Mr. MR but debited to NR. However, the cash book was correctly posted. Received from whom? Received from MR. From Mr. MR. But where the mistake is? Mistake is we have to write here MR. Instead of writing MR, they have written another name called, instead of MR, they have written NR. Therefore, name is wrongly written instead of MR. Therefore, cash is, there is no mistake at all. We want MR on the credit, therefore we have to write credit side MR. We do not want NR on the credit, therefore post NR on the debit side with the same values. Therefore, there is no question of suspense account here, only the mistake in the account heading, accounting name, account name. Next, purchase of office typewriter. Whenever you purchase office typewriter, we have to write office equipment account. We have to write office equipment account must be debited. Office equipment account must be debited. Therefore, but what they have done? They have done another way around. Let us see here what to write. Whenever you purchase office typewriter or computer or anything, you have to write office equipment. Okay. What is the value here? Office equipment is 1350. 1350. Then is it for cash? If it is cash, we have to credit cash. It is not from cash. They say very clearly from R Limited. Name of the person, just we write name of the creditor, Mr. R. The same value will comes over there. Now, what is the mistake here? They have entered into the purchases debit. Instead of writing here office equipment on the debit, they have written on purchases. They have considered as a goods. Therefore, we have to write, the mistake is considered as accounting mistake is purchases account was debited and credit are with the same value 1350 and 1350 is the same value. You know this one entry we have done many number of times. There is no mistake at all from the creditor name. Let me put, and therefore what do we want to have? We want to have office equipment on the debit, and we do not want purchases. This is not goods meant for sale. Therefore, we have to post only office equipment on the debit, and likewise purchases must be credited. Next one, annual whitewash. This is very, very important. Whenever you do whitewash means coloring the building. Annual means every year we want to put the color on the building. It is not a new building was been added with, or if there is no value addition to the new building, it should be considered as an expenses. Painting is a expenses. Therefore, we have to debit here painting as a expenses. Let me post this one as well. This is painting. Painting is never be considered as asset. Therefore, painting is expenses. Painting expenses. You have to post. Credit cash. Whenever you pay cash, it should be credited. Credit cash account. What's the value here? How much you put painting? Painting is annual. Every year, annual painting you will be using 350. 350. But the mistake is, instead of writing painting, they have written building. It is not building. Actually, we are not purchasing any building account. The same is the case. There is no mistake at all here. Painting must be debited and building must be credited with the same value. That is to be taken into consideration. Okay, these are all the points to be taken into consideration pertaining to this one. Let us prepare now suspense account. Let us see here. Is there any suspense account? Yes, suspense account was debited. Therefore, the answer is considered as we have to put suspense on the debit side. What to write? We have to write purchases. Okay, debit suspense account with purchases. Next, is there any suspense? Yes, suspense, debit suspense account with what is the value they say? With 540. Therefore, I would like to post here suspense with the debit side of suspense with 540. Next, is there any suspense? There is no suspense here. Yes, suspense is there. Debit suspense account debit side, I have to post here the value of 850. And here suspense, there is no suspense, there is no suspense. That's all the total will be taking into consideration here. There is no balance here, balance will come on the other side. Let me do totals here. The total value comes over here 1490. The same total will be taking into consideration. The difference in the earlier difference is nothing but this is the value to be taken into account pertaining to this question. That's all for suspense account. Hope this is the opening value of suspense, that is the trial balance difference is to be observed as 1490. Thank you very much.